Hi, no, until now, I do not know what's gonna happen if you land on Duterte space there. I just do not know why or how. Basta ganito talaga, kailangan ko manalo. Guys, kaya mo to. Wala pa talaga si Duterte. Kasi po, ilanded talaga, I called Duterte. Pero what you all is, I do not know what happens when you land on him. Siguro try to get a slow go candy. And then try to call Donkey Kong. I'll try not to win. So that if I can call Duterte for help, eto na. Pero that's hard eh. I don't think that will ever happen. O yan, kayo ba yan, sir? Sir Martin. Yes. Five. I wonder if there's slow candy by now. Oh, there's none. There's no slow candy kasi wala. Pero unless lang talaga, I just keep on spending this, then I have to make a roundabout. Kaso lang talaga, yung problema lang talaga, I cannot find out what it is eh. Tapos ayun lang talaga yung pair ko, yun talaga yung problema. Ayaw pala kanina no, imagine talaga if I had stolen more than 20 pesos. Tapos I can stop her from winning. Sayang lang talaga yun eh. It did not happen. I only got 10 pesos lang eh. That's why I lost. Yun talaga yung nangyari. And even though that was so, she's still a point closer to the win. Ay, nako, sayang lang talaga. And it's a matter of luck to land on that space eh. So it's not gonna be easy to call Duterte for help. Never. Even though you're already there, very sayang lang yun. You need slow go candy to do that. So definitely it's not advisable. Pero okay lang yun. 4. Yun lang. Ay, naku, malas talaga yung pera ko. Brother Adam, where's the money? Thank you! If only there were bargain sale going about in the shops. Gago! Nawala na yung pera ko. Come on, Kuya Brady. Let's see what you can do with that money. Uh-oh. 9. Okay, that's good. I'll use that. Pero wag mo masyadong, ano yun? Never mind, I won't use it now. I'll use it later. Sayang. Pero okay lang yan, balik na tayo sa umpisa. Ready? Wow, galing mo talaga. Balik tayo sa umpisa. Got on the bed! Nice one, Kuya Raver. Ready, balik na tayo sa umpisa. Ready? Wow. We need to do a task. You need to do a hidden task. That is correct. Only once. 5. Sayang wala pa akong pera. Yes! I can finally buy now the slow-go candy and see how it works. Chance minigame for Rappy. Win and you'll about our dart for coins. Okay. The only problem is it's already one step away, so therefore it's very hard talaga. Unless I take the run again, and then yun nga, mahirap. So definitely it's not gonna be easy. Nah, never mind, forget about it. Let's just win na lang the game. Forget about calling to 30. Because 230 is so kurakot. Kurakot. Anyway, here we go. Memorize. Apple, banana, wait, apple, orange, grape, banana, cherry. Apple, orange, okay. Cherry. Nakita ko na. Yan! Ay, mabilis lang yun. No excuse. I just follow the apple as usual. Dahil ang apple ay yung paborito kong prutas, no matter what. Well done, Rappy. You covered the challenge. Now to a dart. Ito na. Bete! Ay, naku, 5 pesos lang. Diyan na naman yung malas ko. I do not know what happens if you meet Heath Hernandez. I do not know why. Let's go, sir. Uh-oh, we have a problem. He's gonna take my money. Shit! Come on! That's fine! Dang it! Sayang. Tapos versus na naman tayo. Ay, naku, Brother Adam, bakit ganito yun? Bakit ang tapong yung opponent ko? Ang kalaban ko? Hindi pwede na ako matalo. Ay, naku, nagtalo. Eh, di ba versus na lang tayo kung walang talaga yung isip ko? Yan! Let's take the chip. Okay? Next time. Don't worry, we can still meet on Sunday. We can meet on Sunday if you wanna. What the F? Tartado! Sino yung manalo? Oh, it's just an inch. Grabe naman talaga. Ang konti-konti lang yung discrepancy. Siya ako yung manalo. Sana dapat John na lang yun. Ay, naku, tartado naman. Ay, naku, eto na naman. Kung matalo na naman ako. Gago kung magnakaw ka ng pera! Grabe ka talaga, Brian. Sir Brian, kung mag-steal ka ng pera. Or Sir Bronson or Sir Christian. Nice. Okay, let's see there's logo. Pero I think that would not happen na eh. Kasi buwan yun, mananalo na talaga yung kalaban ko. So definitely wala na yun eh. So sorry. Unless ang talaga there will be, ano yun? Back 3. Pero wala na talaga yun eh. Wala na talaga yun. Hey, Brother Adam! Pero wala mo na yun eh, kasi mananalo na yun. Unless lang talaga we call the back 3. Sorry. Eh di wow, pwede na, if ever. Pero that's still impossible kasi I need to get how many? Eh di wow! So therefore, if I were to go there, I need to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, ganito yun. Malabo. And I don't think it's easy to get Slowpoke candy. Sige, pwede. I'll try to get more Slowpoke candies than ever. Pero sign up talaga yung pera ko eh. I'll try to get a 7 now. 9! That's too far. Pero never mind, okay lang. Yes po! Quiet po! Sana may slow go. Oh, there's none. Sorry. Pero kaya yun, para manalo na ako, ayoko talaga manghanap si Duterte. Si Duterte talaga yung kurapon. Never mind na. Yes! Okay, I know we're gonna take verses again. Hi, salamat, thank you Lord. Mag-verses na naman tayo. Salamat sa Diyos! Para wala akong problema dahil sa mayor na yan, dahil sa mga kurakon. Come on, Kuya Ivan! Let's see what you can get there. Sana makatatagay yung laban. Ay, magaling talaga! Oy sir, marunong ka na mag-basketball ha? Siyempre, marunong talaga mag-basketball. Ikaw talaga yung talo, kayo yung manalo. Paano naman kaya? Here we go! Pass it! Wow, galing talaga ni Sir Benson eh. 11 points lang, ako perfect score. Dahil mahina siya sa basketball, ako, magaling ako ng basketball. Yan, galing. Nice. Okay, eto na. Bigay mo yung 20 pesos. Sana 20 yung buwan ko. 20! Lord, please. Yes! 20! Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Salamat sa Panginoon. May 20 na. May 20 na ako. Wait a minute. Hey, that's the same that I got a while ago and it did not even work. Ay, nako, we have another problem. Mag-versus na naman tayo. Kailangan ko manalo ko ulit. Para ma-sure I can still hold that money and win. Para matapos na. Ayoko talaga maglaban. Ayoko na. Para panalo na. Dahil na, Kuya Raves. Ito na. And bro, let's play again. Let's play another dual minigame. Ay, naku, sana dapat di ka manalo dito. Sana matalo ka, sana dapat mabilis. Mabilis yung laro. Ay, naku, ayoko to. Mahalas na naman ako dito. Huwag na kasi ako umalas dito, ha. Kung mahalas naman ako dito, ewan ko sa'yo. Sana makanda. 50, 50, 50. Ay, naku, tantado. 50! 50! Yes! Yun lang. No, 50. Oh, shit. 50 talaga. Ano ba naman yan? 50. Kahit 50, wala. Tantado, malas talaga. Doon na yung 50. Hindi ka kuha. Ay, naku, malas. Putay ka talaga. Sir Bobsen! Sir Elio! Sir Emilio! Nalo! Uy, shit. Yeah! Yehoo! Edi wow! Parang hating kapatid lang. 10 pesos. Sayang lang talaga yung pera. Di bale, may chance pa ako. Hi, shit. Why? I hate getting back there. That's so stupid. Hack. I think that my vent is broken. Oh, whatever. That's so stupid. Ay, naku. Kung kailangan ko manalo, matalo pa ako. Yes! Hi, thank you, Lord. Ayoko na talaga dito. Bring that card to the other side. Para manalo na ako! And I think I already have a plan with that. something good. Ay, nabubulok candy. Why would I need that? Ay, nako, yun na naman yung numbers ko. Kanina, kailangan ko na maliit. Ngayon, malaki. Tapos na yun, malaki. Maliit. Puta, ina talaga. Ngayon, mag-versus na naman tayo. Sina, maglaban na ako. Kailangan ko manalo, kailangan ko ng pera. Ay, nako, tarntado, tai. Kung talo pa ako dito, ewan ko na sa'yo. Ay, mabilis lang to. Pwede na ako mag-relax. Yes. Shit! Ay, salamat, panalo ako. Thank you, Lord. Kailangan ko magawa ng pera ko. Kailangan ko manalo. Huwag na kayo magduda-duda dyan. Lord, please. 10! Gago. 5 pesos lang? Paano may isapat na yun? Bad things in the choppers. I can fix it. Wish we can fix it. Sige nga, alam ko na. Tumitunan ko to. We never know what will happen here. Five! Yan! And there we have it. Yes. Okay, Brother Adam, just give me the money. I'm glad to help a Howdy Koopa man myself. I'd say howdy, but I'm a guy that's too, you know the rest, brother. Yeah, I know, Brother Adam, I'm still having a tough time with that shit. Okay, bring it on. Yes! Back to base. Ito na. We don't need to know anymore. But I already know that I'm the winner. Tere, Kuya Mil, you lost that one. So sorry, bitch. Yun. Grabe naman talaga, Bolo Candy. Ewan ko na sa'yo. Lord, please, just give me a good number. Just give me a good freaking legit number. Ah, alam ko na. Para manalo na ako, once and for all. Eto na. Gamitin ko na to. Tapos magdako ko ng pera. Hanggang sa... Eto na! Big number, beta! Yun lang. Liit. Antado. Pero di ba, thank you Lord, nanalo na ako. Huwag na kayo magduda-duda dyan, unless pa talaga mayroon pang iba. Sana wag na. Yes! Di na po, sir. No thanks, Brother Adam. We're good. Well, check you out. Are you my biggest fan? For 50 pesos? Yes, you are. You're a star in my book. Ha! Thank you, Lord. May fair na ako sa pagbigay ng pera. Thank you, Lord! At dahil dyan, yeah! I got the star! Nanalo ko! Thank you, Lord! This duel comes to a screeching halt. We have a winner! That's right, folks! This duel belongs to... Yaha! I'm the winner! Poor Ayakashus. But that's good anyway.